Hey, 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 welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey. I hope that you're having a beautiful day. We are going to focus on these eyes today. I've already gone in and done my primer and my foundation and my concealer. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I have a secret for you. I do have two different foundations on this morning. I have my liquid on one side and I have my Cashmere Complexion powder on the other. So can you guess which side has which on? They blend well, don't they? So let's hop in and go ahead and get started on these eyes. We're going to work on our brows first. We're just going to brush those up with our little handy dandy brush. And we're going to use our pomade today. I'm really enjoying this now that I've kind of got the hang of it. You're just going to take that end and dip it in just a little bit. And we're going to make kind of a outline here. And then once you get your outline made, just take that brush and start filling it in. This helps to balance out your brows, especially like me. I have some scarring in one of my brows because I ran under a teeter-totter when I was younger. So it's going to help balance out those little bald spots a little bit. Re-dip just a little bit. So your brows are the frame to your face, so you don't want to go without lining them, right? You need a liner. So I'm just using the tip and I'm making my outline. Then I'm going in and I'm filling it in. Okay, so they may not be twins, but they're sisters. So we're okay with that. Yes, girl. Brows. Okay, we are going to, oh, I forgot my powder this morning. We're going to go ahead and put some powder on. I'm going to take my VDL Belif setting spray, spray it on my hand, pick it up just a little bit. I want to keep that concealer from setting into my fine lines on my eyes. So this is a little trick. Just patting it on there. And now I'm going to take my Magix dust powder and I'm going to lightly dust that eye area to help kind of give it a radiance is what we're going for, like a setting. It's just going to set is what it's going to do. Just very lightly in that eye area. Then I'm going to take that powder. I'm going to do the rest of my face and set it for the day. So if you haven't guessed yet, the liquid is on this side and the powder is on this side. But that Cashmere Complexion works so well together, you almost can't even tell. Okay. We are powdered up. This magic dust is like a little bit of heaven in your bathroom. You need that. Today we're going to use our palette, which is Mocha Latte, one of my favorite palettes, especially for just a day that you're not going a whole lot of places, but maybe you're doing like some Zoom meetings or I wear it all the time. It's a good neutral. Okay, so I'm going to pick up 2 and 3, and then I'm going to work above my crease because I do have hooded eyes. So we're going to work above that. Okay. And then on this side, working that crease just a little bit. I don't know what happened to our Christmas music. I'm already in the Christmas spirit. Oh, there she goes. She goes with a commercial. There we go. So we're just making that higher crease than what we really have. And we're pulling that in just a little bit here on the edge to kind of give us an angle. it's always good to have an angle in life, right? You gotta kind of know where you're going, how you're working it. So now I'm going to pick up 3 and 4. And I'm just going to work in that cradle and blend it up into that crease. There we go. Same here. Oh, there's our Christmas music back. Blending that into our crease. I'm leaving a little bit of that lighter part coming through because it never hurts to have a little bit of lighter colors. And then I'm going to take my fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up 1. I'm going to highlight underneath those brows. I'm going to bring that lighter color in just a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's do a liquid liner on these eyes, and they are almost ready to go. All right. So our eyes are already popping because when we're wearing our mask, your eyes are really all you can see anyway, right? So we want to make sure they are on point and looking fabulous. Fabulous. Okay. We're going to do Love Waterproof Mascara on those lashes and give them a little bit of length and a little bit of volume with these beautiful little heart-shaped fibers. Okay. I love the curve up part of this mascara because it just gives you that oomph to get up there underneath it. What do we think? One eye done, the other still working. Okay, those eyes are done and ready for action. What do you think? Is that an eye look that you could totally pull off? Absolutely, everybody can. We're gonna do some Queen Carnation blush, finish off these cheeks because you can see a little bit of your cheeks in the mask, right? There we go. We went a little bit bolder on that blush. We're going to tone that down just a little bit. I'm going to take my foundation brush. There we go. Buff it in just a little bit. Okay, let's finish off with one of my favorite Mattitude's Respect. And good morning, Connie. I came over here and finished up my makeup this morning. Okay, so we are ready to go with our makeup. Just a quick morning look. ready to go and conquer the day. So I hope that you all have an amazing second day of November, and find some things to be thankful for. Have a beautiful day. Bye, guys.